we will discuss about the example of the Venn research. In that I am taking these elements. So all the elements are in ascending order only. Now I want to find out the element 101. So that means the x is comes under the 101. Now we will discuss how to find this through the binary search algorithm. Okay, now I will give you the process. The key element x equal to 101. So the array elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 elements. So in that you want to find out them, in that you are having the low and high values. The 1 is comes under the low and 9 is comes under the high. So first you can calculate the mid value. So the mid equal to low plus high by 2. That means 1 plus 9 by 2, 5. So in that the mid, low 1, high 9, mid 5. So now we can compare the x with the a of mid. X is less than a of mid. That means x means 101. 101 less than a of mid means mid value 5, a of 5 means 9. So 1 is less than 9. This is wrong. So now we can compare the 101 greater than 9, x greater than a of mid. So this is true. So whenever x is greater than a of mid, then you can find out the set of the remaining of part. So at that time you can give the L equal to mid plus 1. So now you can take the second part. So this is the first part and this is the second part. So in that the 101 greater than 9. So in that case you can take this one. Within that one you can find out the process. So again I am taking this minus 5, 6, 0, 7, 9, 23, 54, 82 and 101. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in that we will find out this one. So at that the low equal mid plus 1. Mid means 5. 5 plus 1 means 6. So this is the low. This is the high. Now we can calculate the mid value. So low equal to 6. High equal to 9. Now we can take the mid value. So 9 plus 15 means 7. The 7 is comes under the mid value. So this is the mid value. Now again we compare the x with the x is less than a of mid. So that means in that 101 less than a of mid means 54. No. So again you can compare the x greater than a of mid. So 101 greater than 54. True. So whenever it is greater than, now again you can change the low value, low equal to mid plus 1. So that means this value comes under the mid is 7, 8. So now low is 8, high is 9. Again you can calculate the mid value. 9 plus 1, 17. So 17 by 2. So again you can take this array. So now the low value is 8. High value is 9 and mid value is also this. So now again you can compare this x less than a of mid. X means 101 less than 82. Wrong. X greater than a of mid. So 101 greater than A to 2, it will correct. At that time, you can take the low value, low equal to mid plus 1. That means mid is 8, 8 plus 1 that equal to 9. So at the time, low equal to 9, high equal to 9, mid is also 9. So again you can take the elements. The low is 9, high is 9 and mid is also 9. Now we compare this. X is greater than A of mid. 101 greater than 101 wrong. X is less than A of mid. 101 less than 101 wrong. So now you can compare X is equal to A of mid. So 101 equal to 101. So this is correct. So that means you can find out the element at the question 9. So now you can check how many comparisons are done. So in that you are having the 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 comparisons are needed for find out the element 1. So this is the process. Similarly you can do the process for any element. So now I will give you the another example for this one. Now I am changing the key value. The key value comes under the 7. So now you can find out how to find the 7. So in that the low, high and mid are same. So this is the low, this is the high and mid is 5. So now compare the X greater than A of mid. That means 7 greater than 9. Wrong. Now compare the X less than A of mid. 7 less than 9. True. So if it is less than 9, now you can change the high value. Now high equal to mid minus 1. That means low equal to 1. Mid is 5. So high is 4. So now you can take the values. So low is 1, high equal to 4. Now you can calculate the mid value. 5 by 2. 2 is mid. Again you can compare this one. So X is 7. 7 greater than minus 6. Yes. If 7 greater than minus 6, now you can change the low value. Now low equal to mid plus 1. That means mid is 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So now 3, 4, 7. 7 by 2 means 3. So now again you can take this one. So low equal to 3, high equal to 4, mid equal to 3. Now compare this 7 greater than mid, 0. Yes. If 7 greater than mid, again you can change the low value. Low equal to mid plus 1. That means 3 plus 1, 4. Low 4, high 4 and mid is also 4. So now again you can take this one. So low 4, high 4, mid 4. Now we can compare this. X is less than A of mid. 7 less than 7, wrong. X is greater than A of mid. 7 greater than 7. Wrong. Now x is equal to a of mid. 7 equal to 7. So you can find out the element. So in that also you can find out the how many number of comparisons are done. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in that also you are having the 4 comparisons for taking this one. So similarly you can take any element. Okay. So this is the example of the binary search. Now I am taking the key element x equal to 1. Now you can check the 1 is within the list or not. So in that low is 1 and high equal to 9 and mid equal to 5. So now you can compare the 1 greater than 9. This is wrong. 1 less than 9. This is true. If 1 is less than 9, now you can change the high value. High equal to mid minus 1, that is equal to 5 minus 1, 4. Now low equal to 1, 4. Now you can calculate this one is 2. Okay, now you can take this one. So low is 1 and high equal to 4, mid equal to 2. Now compare the 1 greater than minus 6. Yes. So 1 greater than minus 6, in that case you can change the low equal to mid plus 1. That means mid is 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So low equal to 3, high equal to 4 and mid equal to 3. So low equal to 3, high equal to 4, mid equal to 3. Now compare the 1 greater than 0. Yes. So whenever 1 is greater than 0, again you can change the low value. Low equal to mid plus 1, that equal to 3 plus 1, 4. 4, 4, 4. So 4. So this is the low, mid, high. So now you can compare the 1 is greater than 7. Wrong. 1 is less than 7. True. So whenever this is true, again you can change this value. So 1 is less than 7 means in that it will become this one. Now you can change the high value equal to mid minus 1. So low value is 4, high value equal to 3. So in that again you can check that one low and high. So in that algorithm we are having, so low less than or equal to high, then only you can do the process. But in that low greater than high. So whenever the low greater than high, it will come out of the loop. That means that element 1 is not existed within the array. So this is the unsuccessful search. Okay, in that 101 and 7 comes under the successful search and 1 comes under the unsuccessful search. So this is the example. Okay, now do the following problems. So in the first problem 9, 15, 17, 25, 37, 50, 58 and 70. So these are the elements. Within the elements find the element 15, 50 and 23. Either it comes under the elements are existed or not. That means successful search or unsuccessful search. And second problem is 6, 8, 15, 12, 22, 14, 30. If you take on these elements in that, these elements are not in increasing order. If elements are not in increasing order, first you must change these in increasing order. After that apply the binary search and find the elements of 22, 30 and 5. So these are the two problems for exercise.